there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2019 Vauxhall Movano. This is the long wheelbase model, and this comes with 43,000 miles on the clock in a lovely silver. Just taking you around the vehicle now. So we're coming around to the passenger door now. If I just open it up, you can see inside the cab we have 3 cloth-lined seats, armrest for the driver. Of course, there's a 6-speed manual gearbox. We also have air conditioning, which can be controlled just down here, along with radio, Bluetooth, hands-free cooling. Can be controlled behind the steering wheel. And I will just show you into the load area at the back. And not only is it interior lit, it's also ply lined on the walls. Plenty of cargo rings along the floor to tie down any load you may want to be carrying. Small storage space above the cab just there, and a very undented bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads as well. And if you'd like to find out more about this Vauxhall Movano, please do head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk.